So today class topic is functions. Easy and simple topic. Functions. So what is function basically? Function we considered is like a machine where we give some input and we get some output. That's a simple definition of functions. For example, we have a machine. For example, this is a machine I have, and I'm giving some input in this machine. And this machine produces some output. So this is known as a function. As we know, mostly the input is known as x that we input in, and the input is represented by domain. All the value that we put replacing x is known as the domain into function, and the output is known as the range that we got. The output is known as range. The function, you will get the question in two ways. You will see the question like this as well. For example, y equal to 5x plus 3, for example. Sometimes you will see the question like this, and you can see the question like this as well. Function fx is equal to 5x plus 3. Both have a same meaning. We have to input some values of x, so you will get the output of y. This is what the function is. So now we will see how to solve some questions of functions. So yes, any question right now?
No.
Okay. So for example, the question is the function they have given fx is equal to 2x plus 3, and they want to find out f3, find out the value of this. So this means that you can see that this is x. This means that I have to put the value of 3 replacing x. So I will solve this question. I will replace x by 3 because the question requirement is 3. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 3, the final answer will be 9. This means when I put the value of x is equal to 3, then I get the value as 9 of this function. Okay, this is the basic example of function. Now we'll see one more question. For example, function is given fx equal to 3x plus 5, and you have to find out the value of f2, f0. The third part is f minus. Yes, Azan, can you tell me what is the values of these three parts, part 1, part 2, and part 3? Can you try this one
Okay.
quickly? Yes, what is the answer of part 1?
I'm still doing it.
Okay. Yes, part 1, that's a simple part. How much time required? Yes,
Um,
Azan.
it equals to 6 plus 5.
So, what is 6
uh,
plus 5? You have to solve it.
11.
11. So that's it. Answer is 11. What about part 2?
Part 2, I don't really understand.
Why you don't really understand? You have to put the value x as a 0. What's the issue in this? You have to put 0 here. 3 0, the 0. 0 plus 5 will be 5. That's it. Yes, what's the issue in
Okay.
this?
Yeah, understand.
Yes, good. Now, what is about part 3? Negative 3. You have to put negative 3. What will be the answer?
-4.
-4. Very good. That's the correct answer. -4. Now, we'll see one more question. Now, they have given the function in g form. Gx is equal to x minus 1 divided by 5. Find the value of part 1 is g raised to 2, 3, and g raised to 6. And then part 3 is to 11. So now in this, we have to put the values in function g. The first part say we have to put 3. So when I put 3, 3 minus 1 divided by 5, 3 minus 1 will be 2. The 2 over 5 will be the answer of part number 1. Now part 2 is 6. So now 6 minus 1 divided by 5. So this will be 5 divided by 5. This will be cancelled out. So the answer will be 1. Now 11. 11 minus 1 divided by 5. So this will be 10 over 5. So if 5 ones are, 5 twos are, the final answer will be 2. Yes, Azan. Any confusion?
No.
Great. Very good. Now we will see one more question. For example, the question is like this. Fx equal to 3x minus 1 divided by 2. Given that fa is equal to 2, find the value of a. Now in this question, they have given the function fx, that is 3x minus 1 divided by 2. Given that, now this is a very key point, fa, this means that I have to put a in this function that will be equal to 2. This means that they're saying that when you put a in this function, that will be equal to 2. So now how we can solve this question? I will put a replacing x by a. So this will become 3a minus 1 divided by 2. And when I put a, this will be equal to 2 because the condition says that. Now I have to find out the value of a. So 2 will goes to other side and multiply. 2 2s are 4. 3a minus 1 equal to 4. Negative 1 will goes to the side and will become positive 1. 3a equal to 5. And now 3 will goes to the side and divide. So the value of a will be 5 over 3. Yes, Hassan, any confusion?
No.
Very good. That's a very simple question. Now, I will give you one more question. And now you need to try this one. Similar question. Now the question is find values of a. This means that you will get more than one value in this question. Can you please try this one, Adhan? Try to
Okay.
solve this one.
Yeah.
Good.
The first one is -3.
Yes. And the second one is?
I'm still doing it.
Okay, great. Very good. You are doing correctly.
Second one is 2.
Okay. So what we have to do, we have to apply middle term break. So we will get a square plus 3a minus 2a minus 6 equal to 0. Now a will be common, so a plus 3 and minus 2 will be common, so a plus 3 equal to 0. So a plus 3 equal to 0 and then a minus 2 equal to 0. So the one value we got a equal to minus 3. You are absolutely right. Second is a equal to 2. So well done. Your answer is absolutely correct. Okay. Now the next thing we will see what is composite functions. What is composite function? So composite function, if I say in the simple, is that two or more function joined together is known as composite function. Joined together. This is a basic definition of composite function when two or more functions join together. What does it mean, join together, and how? What will be the expression? How we can solve this question? So I will show you some example of this question. For example, I have a function fx that is x square and the function gx that is 2x plus 1. Now find so this is how you will get the question. You can see that in the previous what we are doing, they have, if we see the simple question, we have to put the value of 3 in this function, we have to put the value of 6 in the function, we have to put the numerical value, and we have to get the answer of it. But right now you can see that they are saying that in function g you have to put the function fx. Okay, in
Okay.
function g I have to put the function fx. Okay, so listen
Oh,
to me very carefully. In function g is this. I have to put the value of fx in g function. So how we will write this? So the value of fx is x squared. This means that I have to put the value of fx in function g by replacing x. So now x will become x square because the value of fx is x square. So the final answer will be 2x square plus 1. Yes. Understand?
no, not really.
Not really. The questions say that in function g, you have to put the value of fx. The value of fx is x squared. So fx. Okay. Now, one more example. For example, the question is like this. Now, in this question, what I need to do in function f is this. I have to put the value of g. So x will be replaced by 2x plus 1. And because in function f is a square, so I will apply square. We can solve this question more if depend on the condition. Right now, I'm just explaining you how we solve the composite functions. Yes, Azan, any confusion?
No, I understand now.
Okay, that's it. This is known as a composite function. Inshallah, we will do some past paper question as well, so you will know how these questions will come. Now, the next topic is inverse of function. So to find out the inverse, there are some steps. Okay. how to find the inverse. If, for example, I'm taking one question, fx equal to 2x minus 5. For example, this is the question, and how what is the expression to find out the expression to find out inverse is like this. This means that if the question is like this means that you have to find out the inverse. Minus 1 power representing inverse. Okay, f inverse of x. So I have to find out the inverse. The first step to find out the inverse is step number 1 is take the equation equal to y equal to 2x minus 5. This is the step number 1. Step number 2 is make x as a subject. Right now, y is a subject. Now, make x as a subject. So, how I can make x a subject? I will move minus 5 to this side. And 2 is multiplying, so it will be divided. So, I make x as a subject. Yes, Azan, you understand step 1 and step 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the last step. Very important step. We have done all the work. Now, last step is you get the subject x. This is your answer. So how you will write the answer? F inverse of x. Now you will replace y by x. You will write x plus 5 divided by 2. Because your question is written in an x form, that's why you have to write down you have to replace y by x. So now the answer will become x plus 5 divided by 2. Yes, Azan, any confusion?
No.
Very good, very good. Well done. Okay. Now, can you try this one? Okay, Adan. Please try this one.
Okay.
Yes, Adan, done.
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm done. X equals to 4 over 5y plus 3.
Okay, let me check. Next step will be 5xy equal
Oh,
to
sorry, minus 3,
3x
minus 3,
plus
not plus
4.
3.
Okay, okay. So x will be common. So 5y minus 3 equal to 4. X equal. So we will write the final answer like this. Not this is not a final answer. F inverse of x will be equal to 4 divided by 5x minus 3. This will be your final answer. Yes, Everything is clear?
Yeah.
Yes, Adan?
Yes.
Okay. Now try. Okay, okay, great, great. Now try one more question. Okay, try this one. To make x as a subject, we have to apply square on both sides. That's an important step in this question.
Can you explain? I don't really understand this one.
So in this question, first what we have to do, we have to make equation equal to y. So y equal to root 4x plus 1. Now the next step is we have to make x as a subject, but x is written inside the root, square root. So we have only one choice to remove the root, is a square on both sides. When I apply a square on both sides, this will become y square, and when I apply square on this side, square and root will be cancelled out. So now it will become y square equal to 4x plus 1. Plus 1 will goes to other side, it will become minus 1, and 4 will be goes to divide on the other side. So the equation become x equal to y square minus 1 over 4. Now we have to write down this equation in inverse form. So g inverse of x equal to x square minus 1 over x square minus 1 over 4. Now the question say that we have to put the value of 5. So I got the inverse. Now I just need to put the value 5. So x squared, so 5 square will become 25. 25 minus 4, this means that 24 over 4. So the final answer will be 6. Yes, Azan. Any confusion?
No.
Yes. So great. That's it for today. We have just go through with the concepts. Now, inshallah, we will see in the next class the past paper question, what types of question will come, and there are different types of question, and that will cover all three concepts. First is function, simple functions. Then we see the composite functions, how we solve composite function, and the third one is the inverse of that function.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
you can go now. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, we will meet. Now we will solve the past paper question of functions. So starting with the question number 1. In question 1, gx is 1 minus 2x and hx is x square minus 1. They have given us two functions, gx and hx. First functions, the first part says that you have to find g, h and 3. Basically this is what they are describing, composite function. So first we will solve h3. You can see that this is h3. So first we will solve h3. This means that I have to put 3 replacing x. So 3 square minus 1. So 9 minus 1. So final answer will be 8. This means that the answer of h3 is 8. So I will replace this h3 by 8. So now the question becomes g8. This means I have to put 8 in the function of g. So when I put 8 in the function of g, so 2 8s are 16. 16, 1 minus 16 will be minus 15. So this will be our final answer. In the second part, we have to find the inverse of g. So first we have to let y is equal to 1 minus 2x. Then what we have to do, we have to make x as a subject. So minus 2x will move to this side and y will move to this side. The 2x is equal to 1 minus y, and 2 will goes to the other side and divide. So 1 minus y divided by 2. This will be our final answer. Now, how we can write the answer? As I told you, how we can write the answer is 1 minus x divided by 2, because the question is given in x form, so we have to write the answer in x form. So g inverse of x will be equal to 1 minus x divided by 2. Now, the third part is hx equal to 3. They are saying that the function h is equal to 3. The function h is x square minus 1 is equal to 3. This is the function of h. Now minus 1 goes to the side and it will be add. So 3 plus 1 will become 4. So x square will be equal to 4. Now we need to find out the value of x. And right now we have x square. So I will apply a root on both sides. This will be cancelled out. So the final value will be plus minus 2, because value comes out from the root. So we have to write plus minus 2. So one value is positive 2, another is negative 2. This will be our final answer. Now the next question, part number 4. g3x equal to 2x. So gx is 1 minus 2x, and the question say that g3x is equal to 2x. This means I have to put 3x in the function of g. So g3x mean that I have to replace x by 3x. So now I get 1 minus 6x. This is what I have solved g3, and this equation will be equal to 2x. 6x will goes to other side, it will be add. So now 1 is equal to 8x. 8 will come to the other side and divide. So the value of x is 1 over 8. That's it. Question number 1 is done. I hope there is no confusion in the question number 1. Now moving towards the next question. You will get all the question like this. Very similar question and the very easy topic and the number gaining topic. Now h minus, this means I have to put 3 in h. So minus 3 whole square plus 5 and 3. So minus 3 will become positive 9, because when we apply even power, the negative will become positive. 5 3s are 15. So the final answer will be 24. That's it. Now the next part again, hg13. So first I will solve g13. This means that this is the function of g. So I will put 13 plus 1. So this will become 7 over 14. So 7 1s are 7 2s are the 1 over 2. So I got 1 over 2 when I solve g13. This means that I can replace g13 by 1 over 2. Now question become h1 over 2. This means I have to put 1 over 2 in h. So 1 over 2 whole square plus 5 1 over 2. Now 1 over 2 square is 1 over 4. This will become 5 over 2. So when we take LCM, this will become 1 plus 10 over 4. So this will become 11 over 4. This will be our final answer. Okay, so we can take LCM like this as well. 5 4 the 20, 2 1 the 2, plus 20, 2 4 the 8, so 22 over 8. If you don't understand how I did, so you can do this as well. 2 4 the and 2 11, so 11 over 4. This will be final answer. Again we have to find the inverse. So y is equal to 4x plus 3. First we have to let by y, then we have to make x a subject. 3 will goes to other side. Y minus 3 equal to 4x. 4 will be divide when we move to the side. So x is equal to y minus 3 upon 4. So we will write the answer like this: s inverse of x is equal to x minus 3 divided by 4. This will be our final answer. So we have done this. Okay, now question number 3. f2, this means I have to put 2 in the function. So f2 minus, so 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 2 will be 8. So 8 will be the answer. Again g17, so I have to put 17 in g. So 7 over 17 minus 6 is the function of g. So 7 over 14, again I will get 1 over 2. Similar question that we have done the part question 2 we have done. Now I get 1 over 2. This means the question now become h 1 over 2, because the value of G17 we get 1 over 2. Now the question becomes H 1 over 2. This means I have to put 1 over 2 in the function of H. So 2 1 over 2 whole square plus 7 1 over 2. So 2 1 over 4 plus 7 over 2. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are. So we will get 1 over 2 plus 7 over 2. As you see, LCM is same. So when the LCM are same, so you have to write 2 and 1 plus 7. So this will become 8 over 2. Then we'll cut down 2 1s are 2 4s are. So the final answer we will get 4. Okay, 4 will be the final answer. Now the part B, solve gx equal to x plus 3. This means that I have to put gx equal to x plus 3. So the function of gx is 7 over x minus 3 equal to x plus 3. Now how I can solve? I have to move this to this side. So now x plus 3 and x minus 3. So these two brackets are multiplying. So x multiplied by x will be x square. X multiplied by minus 3 will be minus 3x. Now 3 multiplied by x will be 3x. And 3 3s are 9, negative 9. This is what I got. Now these two will be cancelled out. 7 is equal to x square minus 9. Minus 9 goes to other side. It will be add. So x square equal to 16. Now I have to find out the value of x. So I have to apply a root. This will be cancelled out. So the value of x will be plus minus 4 because 16 is the square of 4. So positive 4 and negative 4 is the final answer. The simple question. Now we have some more parts. So now part number C. Part number C, hx equal to 11. Show all your working. Give your if your answer incorrect to 2 decimal place. So now the hx function is 2x square plus 7x. So 2x square plus 7x will be equal to 11 because say that hx function is equal to 11. Okay. Now 2x square plus 7x minus 11 equal to 0. Okay. I hope everything is clear. There is no confusion in this part. So what we got, 2x square plus 7x minus 11 equal to 0. So this will be the calculator question because in this we have to apply calculator because you have to find out the value in 2 decimal place and you cannot be delta break it. Well, let me see, is there any possibility of 2 11s are 22 minus 22. We have to identify two numbers that we multiply, they will become 22, and when we add or subtract will become 7. So 7 3 the 21, 2 11s are, we have only one chance, 2 11s are or 22 ones are. So there is no possibility that will make 22 or the middle value 7. So this means that I have to apply quadratic formula. Okay, so to apply quadratic formula we have to use calculator. So what will be the value? How we can apply quadratic? This will be A, this will be B, and this is C. So the quadratic formula is minus B plus minus root B square minus 4AC upon 2A. This is the formula. I hope you know the formula. The first value is 2 and equal to 7 and then equal to minus 11. So the value I got it is 1.76 using calculator, and the other value is negative 4.67. We have to write the answer in 2 decimal place. Okay, so I hope you know how to do this things in the calculator. What you need to do, just press mod, then press 5 and then press 3. You will get a quadratic form. The first value A you write 2, then equal to, then 7, then equal to, minus 11, then you press equal to 2 times, you will get the first value, that is x1, and then you press one more time, so you will get the value of x2, that is second value. So you have to write the value, the 2 decimal places, so 1.76 and minus 4.67. Okay, I hope there is no confusion. This is homework for you. Try by yourself. It's a very easy part. Now the part E is G inverse x equal to 0.5 minus. So Gx is 7 over. So Gx is 7 over x minus 3. So I have to find inverse. Y is equal to 7 over x minus 3. So now this will go to this side. and y will come to this side. So 7 over y is equal to x minus 3. 3 will goes to this side, so x equal to 7 over y plus 3. So the inverse will be, the question say that g inverse equal to negative 0.5. So this means that 7 over x plus 3 equal to negative 0.5. 3 will goes to other side and it will also subtract. So 7 over x will be equal to negative 3.5. Now I need to find out the value of x. So x will be goes to this side and negative 3.5 will be divided. 7 divided by negative 3.5 equal to x. So when we divide, so we will get negative 2. You can check by the in the calculator as well. That's a very simple calculation. So these are the some questions that are very easy. You just need to know the basic concept. Now this is the last question. So we have some question also in the end of this file. So what you need to do, you have to solve this question by yourself. So it will be the practice question for you. And if you face any difficulty in any part, you can just comment me. I will share the solution of it. Okay, now question number 4 is f3. This means I have to put 3 in function f. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 5 will be 11. Okay, now next is g and g3. This means first I have to solve g3. So g is, this is a function, so the power will be 3. So 2 3 is 8. So I get 8. This means that now the question will become g8. This means that I have to put 2 raised to the power 8. I hope there is no confusion in this concept how I get 2 raised to the power 8. So now if when you calculate or you will multiply 2 raised to the power 8, you will get 256. That's a simple thing. Because first you solve g3, the value of g3 I get 8. Now the question will become g8. So 2 raised to the power 8 is 256. Now f inverse y is equal to 2x plus 5. Now y minus 5 divided by 2, this is what you get the inverse. So you have to write like this, x minus 5 divided by 2. That's it. Now the next part is, the last part of this class is f hx. So first hx, this means that there is no value I have to put. So this means that in this is written like this. So this means that I have to put hx function in f. I have to put hx function in f. The function f is 2x plus 5. So I have to replace x by 7 minus 3x, because this is a function of, this is a value of hx function. As I told you, hx function will be put in f function. We already did the composite function. This is what this means. So now we need to simplify this. 2 7 the 14, 2 3 the 6 plus 5. So 14 plus 5 will be 19. So 19 minus 6x will be the final answer. So I hope everything is clear. You have to try these questions, and if you face any difficulty, you just need to comment me. I will inshallah share the solution with you. Okay, so Allah Hafiz.